Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the returnable. Today I'm going to show you how to make a legume. It's really easy for you to do if you're using just like regular meat. So you can see I already I already prepare all my vegetables, and I will add all my ingredients, all the vegetables name and the meat you need to do your legume. So right now, I put, if you don't have no lime or lemon, so you can't use vinaigrette. So I put some vinaigrette on my meat, and I already put some water boiling. I already have a pigtail, and this one is some pork meat, or you can do it with beef meat. You just look at it to see if you need something for you to take off, okay? When you do that, you take off the vinaigrette, and you're going to add your hot water in it. Okay guys, you can see I'm going to add my hot water to the meat, and I'm going to leave a little bit of the water. Okay, I can put my regular seasoning. While you make the hot water in, just like for you to, if you have just like anything, and you can that's the way Haitian people season their meat. Okay, you just mix it because you want all the meat to end up a little bit cooked a little bit on the hot water. You're going to take it off. Okay. Okay guys, you can see I got a bigger pot. I can put I'm going to put the meat on the bottom. I'm going to season my meat, put on the bottom, and the vegetable on the top. So I got my water, and remember guys, I'm selling the returnable spice, and I'm going to add the shop you're going to get the spice. Okay guys, so I add some water, the water I leave behind, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the returnable spice. You can see guys, you don't need to add nothing when you buy the returnable spice, because it's already have everything in it, except if you're a kind of person who love to eat hot thing. So when you're going to order your spice, you can make it you can let me know you want yours to be hot. Yes, I will do the special order too. Okay guys, you can see I don't put nothing except just my spice. Now you're going to add the meat. While you add the meat first, because the meat has to stay on the bottom, the vegetable on the top. When the vegetable finish cook, you can take it off. Okay, when you finish, add your meat. First, you're going to add the carrot because the carrot take a long time to cook. Make sure you put the carrot on the put it between the meat. It can cook really fast. Now you can add the rest of your vegetables, guys. Add all your rest of your vegetables, and then you're going to put it on the stove to be boiling, to be cooked. And I will show you how you're going to take it off, how you're going to check your vegetables, how you're going to check your meat. When you finish do everything, you cut your cabbage, you put on the top. The cabbage supposed to be only on the top. Don't put on the bottom, put on the top. Okay, guys? I will show you how you're going to check your vegetables. You can see this is the vegetable is cooking. You see the top is the cabbage, and then this one right there is the carrot, and then the rest is on the bottom. So what I'm going to show you how you check your vegetables, and you can take it off. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay, you're going to need a big spoon who got hole in it. So some of my vegetables, that's the eggplant, is already cooked. And now I'm going to get my carrots. You get a fork or knife, you check it. The carrot is not cooked yet. Okay, so I'm going to take off some of my vegetables. It's already cooked. My meat. Okay, guys, so you keep doing that. You take off all the vegetables is already cooked. You put it on the container without water. And then the rest is not cooking. You leave it boiling with the meat. Okay, guys?